Welcome to Drone Seekers International 2025 Meetup in Murcia, Spain. This is day 0. Nestled into the arid landscape of Mula in the region of Murcia, Spain, lies the Embalse de La Cierva, a reservoir steeped in both history and practical purpose. This modest but vital reservoir was constructed in 1929, during a time when much of southeastern Spain was struggling with the harsh realities of water scarcity. Built in a natural ravine, the dam captures the waters of the Mula River, a tributary of the Segura. Its primary function has always been clear: to regulate water for irrigation in this traditionally dry and agricultural region. The reservoir made it possible to support the local farming economy, particularly for crops such as almonds, olives, and citrus, staples of the Murcian landscape. The dam structure is made of masonry and gravity-based construction, reflecting earliest 20th century engineering practices in Spain. At the time, it was considered a significant regional infrastructure project, improving the livelihoods of countless farmers. Over the decades, Embalse de La Cierva has not only served a utilitarian purpose, but has also become a place of natural beauty. Surrounded by its rugged hills and Mediterranean scrub, it's home to a diverse bird life and provides a peaceful retreat for walkers, nature lovers, and locals seeking respite. The parking lot and picnic area served as a great place for Terry's fry-up and to reacquaint ourselves with old friends and meet new friends in Spain. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again in a few days with the next chapter.